Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can just copy and paste affiliate links and really make some great amount of money doing very simple strategy. So this is going to be really interesting. Watch this video till the end so you understand all the things which I'm gonna tell you in this video and explain you the entire process in a very detailed manner. So watch this video till the end, and if you are serious about making money online, then watch this video till the end. But if you are not serious and just watching this video for entertainment purposes, then I would like to say that you should not watch this video. Yeah, I am telling you finally that you should not watch this video. But if you are really serious, then watch this video till the end. First of all you need to do is go to Amazon and sign up for an Amazon Associates account. Okay, once you have signed up for an Amazon Associates account, then you can promote any of the product. Okay, so all you need to do is just go to Amazon and find products. Okay, so for this video purpose, I have choose the category which is jewelries for women. Why? Because Pinterest is such a platform where the most of the traffic is women centric. Okay, so this is the reason why I have chose this category which is jewelries for women. Currently I am not logged into my Amazon account because I have forgotten the password, but still I'm gonna show you the method. Okay, so once you log in as an associate in your Amazon account, just create an Amazon Associates account if you don't have one. Okay, and you are just ready to promote the Amazon products. Okay, then you just find a good product. So for example, jewelries for women. Okay, so this is the product. Okay, now you need this image. Okay, you need this image to upload it on your Pinterest account. Now to get this image, all you need to do is, if you have a Windows computer, then you can use this tool. Okay, just search for snipping. Okay, then this is the tool which is known as snipping tool. This tool allows you to take a screenshot. Okay, so if you are using a Windows computer, then you can definitely do this. Okay, now I want this area. Okay, so I am just going to snip it from here. Okay, and this is ready. Okay, I have got this. As you click, you can see here is the image. Now you can save this image to wherever you want. Okay, so this is the first step. You have got the image. Now the thing is, now what you have to do is you have to create a pin regarding this image. Now to create a pin regarding this image, you just have to go to Pinterest, your Pinterest account, and just place on this create new pin. Okay, just go over here and just pin. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to upload the image over here. Now let's see, here is the image. So we have uploaded the image over here. Now you want to tell something about this pin. Okay, now just go to your Amazon accounts and just copy this. So this is the title. Okay, just let's copy until here and Control C and just paste it in your Pinterest, Control V. Okay, and now it's okay. So this is done, and just let's use only this much. Okay, Control C, and this is our title, Control V. So this is the title. Okay, now what you are going to provide is your affiliate link over here, which is I am just writing Amazon.com. Okay, I haven't got my I am not logged in currently to my Amazon accounts. I have forgotten my password. So what I have to do the entire process of forgotten password. So that's the reason why I am not showing my Amazon affiliate account, but it's okay. You just have to copy your affiliate link. Okay, and then just press your copy and paste your affiliate link over here. And after that, all you need to do is publish this content. Now to make this method work, you need to be publishing 10 to 20 pins every single day regarding different products. Okay, so this is really very important. You cannot be just posting one pin and just expecting that it may get sold, but you have to continuously and consistently post 10 to 20 pins every single day regarding create 10 to 20 boards on your Pinterest account regarding different types of niches, and you can start promoting the products of different niches through your Pinterest account utilizing this method. All you need to do is take screenshot, save the image, upload the image, write description, and then you are ready to go and publish your account. Okay, so here will be your affiliate link, and and Pinterest accepts Amazon's affiliate link, so there won't be any problem for you. And just click the publish button and you are ready to go for it. Okay, so this is the method, but this method will require you some consistency, but definitely you can grow your Pinterest account very fast. It grows really fast. Okay, so this is my Pinterest account, and I have just grown it in 2 weeks. Okay, so it's really good and it really gets a great amount of traffic, so their traffic won't be any big problem for you. You can see here it's only 2 weeks old, and you can see there are 7.8k impressions on my Pinterest account, and you can see that I have made this 4 boards and continuously uploaded pins every single day, 5 to 10 pins on all this board, and the result of it, you can see here there are almost 7.8k impressions, 11 saves and 14 link clicks. So this is the power of Pinterest. Okay, you can gain very big audience in a very small amount of time, but all you need to have for Pinterest is consistency. You need to be consistent on Pinterest, and really you can make a ton of money out of it and drive millions and millions of traffic to your content, to your data, to your website, to your affiliate links. Everything of this is possible, but the thing here is consistency. It may take some time. It may take 1 month for you to make your first earnings, but after that it will start snowballing. Day by day your visitors on your account will be increasing, and day by day there would be more link clicks, and you will be making more and more money. So this is the method which works 100%. Not affiliate gurus are going to explain you this method in all this detail, and no one is going to give you a practical advice and say you that you have to do this method consistently and do this, and no one is going to tell you how many pins you need to post every single day. All this thing is told to you, and the tool which you can use to create this type of pins is known as canva.com. okay, if you want to create your own pins, but if you don't want to create and promote Amazon products, you can directly do it. Just go to Amazon, get the screenshot, upload it over here, and just you are ready to go with it. So that's really easy, that's really simple. Everyone can really start making money with this Pinterest method, and it's really interesting. Day by day, the thing about the Pinterest is that day by day your visitors go on increasing as you are consistent on the platform. Day by day more and more impressions are going to come, and more link clicks are going to happen, and the more the link clicks, the more money you are going to earn on Pinterest. So this is really something awesomest platform. We can say that this platform provides you a very big opportunity of advertising your stuff absolutely for free. People are driving millions and millions of traffic with this platform. Why don't you take advantage of this platform? And this is really interesting. But the worst thing which stops most of the entrepreneurs from making money online is called laziness or actionlessness. Yes, I am talking actionlessness. Yes, many of the people are just going to watch this video. After that, they are going to watch another video. After that, they are going to watch another video regarding make money online, but they are not going to take any action on any of the methods, and due to this inaction, they are not going to earn money online. But if you make a plan for 30 days that I'm going to take action, I'm going to take big action on this method, I can say that you can definitely make money with this method. You can earn 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 and even more dollars from this method every single month. All you need to do is stay consistent, put in some work, and then you can really reap the fruits for later. So this is something which is really working method. I definitely recommend you because anyone can do this method very easily, even as a beginner. So just do this method. So if you like my video, just press the like button as well as the subscribe button which will appear next to it. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.